In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up the Helium 10 extension in your Google Chrome browser. Whether you're a seasoned Helium 10 user or just starting, having this extension ready to go will enhance your Amazon product research experience. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to open up your Google Chrome browser. This extension is specifically designed for Chrome, so make sure you're not using a different browser, or you might encounter some issues. Once you've got Chrome open, head over to helium10.com/extension. This link will take you directly to the page where you can download the extension. Now that you've arrived at the right place, you'll see the option to add the Helium 10 extension to your browser. Look for the button that says Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click on that. When you do this, Chrome will open a pop-up window asking for your confirmation to add the extension. You'll need to click the Add Extension button to proceed. This step is crucial because it officially installs the extension into your browser. After confirming the installation, you'll notice a brief message indicating that the extension has been successfully added. The next step is to ensure that the extension is easy to access whenever you need it. To find it, head to the top right corner of your Chrome browser, right next to your URL bar. You'll notice a small puzzle piece icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear showing all your installed extensions. In this menu, locate the Helium 10 extension. To make it even more accessible, you might want to pin it to your toolbar by clicking the little pin icon next to it. This way, it will always be visible and just a click away whenever you need to use it. If this is your first time using the Helium 10 extension, you'll either need to log in, or if you don't have an account yet, sign up for one. This is an essential step, as the extension's full capabilities can only be utilized when you're logged into your Helium 10 account. Follow the prompts to enter your details, and you'll be ready to go in no time. For those looking to maximize the extension's functionality, there's an optional step you might want to consider. Granting the extension permission to operate on all websites ensures it runs smoothly and integrates seamlessly with your browser activities. You'll need to click the extension icon again, find Helium 10, and select the 3 vertical dots next to it. From the options that appear, choose This can read and change site data, and set it to On All Sites. This permission allows the extension to provide its full suite of features across different pages you visit. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to install and set up the Helium 10 extension on your Chrome browser. With this extension ready, you're now equipped to dive deeper into your Amazon research and product optimization tasks. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.